के लिए कुछ हुआ, if you have not done anything, then here the problem start, and here the actual stress starts. ये गिल्ट मारता है, ये स्ट्रेस नहीं मारता, लेकिन पता है if you get into a stress and you work hard very and you get the things whichever you want, after that your stress will be just 1 or 2% with you, and you will be feeling your pleasure will be almost 98 to 99% with you. Is that 1 2% matter, or that 98 99% matters to you? Obviously that 98 99% matter, and that is just pleasure. Keep in mind one formula: effort equals to pleasure. You have to train your mind that if you do efforts in the starting, for example you are learning something for 1 2 3 4 hours continuously, then you can give pleasure to your body, to your mind, whatever it may be. Means if I say body, you can go to gym. If I say mind, you can do meditation. If you like, you can listen to the music, you can uh, do whatever you want. Means if you can talk to your any friend, to you want, or you can play your favorite game, you can go out with your friends for some time, whatever pleasure you want to give to yourself, but that should be a reward after your efforts. If you're starting your day with pleasure and ending it with pleasure, for example if you're starting your day with Instagram and just laughing, that is a pleasure for you, and using an Instagram, that is an effort for you, so you're going really in a wrong direction. Keep in mind, if you want to really succeed in your life, your day should start with effort, and at the end it should end with pleasure. No matter what, you have to push yourself hard every day for doing efforts. Are you getting me? See, these things, this motivation lasts for just 1 to 2 or half an hour, mostly half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hour, not more than that. I just want you to bring a notebook, write in that, keep write in big handwriting: स्ट्रेस से इंसान मरता नहीं है, उस गिल्ट से मरता है जो आप करना चाह रहे हो और आप नहीं कर पा रहे हो. Also write the formula: efforts is equal to pleasure. See, you don't know what life wants from you, where you are getting, but you, it's your job, it's a responsibility that your parents should get a life they are capable of. Okay, which means whatever they have earned, they've spent on you, they have sacrificed whole their life. Now it's your responsibility to give them the perfect life that they need, okay, that they deserve. So just